going to be using Pre-Stretched Hair by Hollywood Braid. Each pack is about $5 and comes with 3 bundles. I love using this brand because the hair is soft, it doesn't tangle easily, and it lasts even with multiple wears, as you'll see in this video. I first removed the elastic that was around each bundle so that I can combine all 3 bundles and secure a hair tie on it. Taking this step slowly to show you how I secure that hair tie. Just freshening it up by giving it a quick brush through. Then simply braiding the hair. Reminder, if you don't know how to braid, don't worry. I have a tutorial linked in the description area that several people have been able to learn from. Once the braid is done, I brushed my hair where I want that braid to live and tied my hair in a bun. Then I grabbed that pre-made braid, placed it on my bun, flipped upwards, tied that hair tie onto my hair, and flipped the braid back over, slightly adjusting the hair at the top to cover my bun. I also added some bobby pins through the braid and into my bun to make sure it was properly covered. Touched up a bit of frizz and voila! The low braided pony. Another way you can do this same braid without pre-braiding and using little to no bobby pins is simply braiding the hair over your bun.